Saabalamuzi wa Uganda Dr. Zeija ategeezezza ng'emisango emingi egiri mu ssente empitirivu bwe gyetumye mu kkooti z'ebyobusuubuzi, bw'atyo n'asaba abakwatibwako ensonga okwettanira enkola eya Alternative Dispute Resolution erimu abantu okukkaanyiza wabweru wa kkooti, ng'era n'abalamuzi ba kkooti z'ebyobusuubuzi abakalaatidde okukozesa enkola eno kiyambeko okukendeeza kwetuuma kw'emisango.
We think that when let's say the bank and the client go into a deal like mediation, mediation is usually give and take. Sometimes you find these clients have folded not because they want to, maybe because there is a problem. For example, the frauds which you have seen like in Nigeria. Now you find maybe he had reported things and they have all been affected. So for that period he has reported not because of his own reasons, but because some situation has arisen. So what does that client want from the bank? Maybe to go to the bank and say, yes, I know I owe you money and I must pay it back, but can you give me maybe more time given what has happened? And then if the bank understands that, maybe then they can negotiate an extension rather than coming to court.
Ye Minisita wa Ssemateeka Norbert Mao atendereza ekitongole ekiramuzi olw'okuvaayo n'enteekateeka eno, ng'era asabye abatabaganya mu misango gino okubeera abeesimbu nga bataawuluza abalina enkaayana.
As mediators, what we promote is good faith negotiation. If you go into the mediation process and your intention is not to resolve the dispute, but rather to buy time and delay paying your debt, then mediation disadvantages the bank. So, whether you like what the court tells you or not, the courts will make a decision and the Uganda government will enforce it, whether you like it or not. And that is why mediation turns out to be better, because it involves give and take. In the court, when there's a decision, if you lose, in addition, you must pay cost.
Anet Nakaibale yakusakidde eggwire ino ku KTV Amalindire.